Hello, I'm Lorenzo, a software product manager at Rockwell Automation. One of the challenges that we hear from our customers is how plant floor personnel are having a difficult time with managing all the growing number of industrial and of things that are finding their way onto the plant floor. To help this, we've actually created a product called FactoryTalk Network Manager. This new software provides increased visibility and insight into performance of your network from the perspective of your Stratix managed switch. It automatically discovers assets, their associated IP addresses, and creates a topology view of these connected devices all in one place. The software identifies plant floor assets by leveraging SNMP and SIP protocols, as well as Profinet, Modbus, and even BACnet for automatic inventory discovery. And within the inventory, you can see detailed information about the managed switches. The software is able to capture switch-level alarms and events in real time to help minimize troubleshooting. Now you can monitor the health of your Stratix managed switch all in one place to help reduce downtime. For more information, please visit us at www.rockwellsoftware.com.